Natural home remedies for high blood pressure. Lemon is one of the great home remedies for the treatment of high blood pressure. Lemon keeps the blood vessels soft and also prevents the hypertension level. In addition to that, lemon can help lower your chances of heart failure because of its vitamin C percentage. Vitamin C is a great antioxidant which helps neutralize all the harmful consequences of free radicals. Directions. Take a large fresh lemon or 2 medium-sized lemons. Squeeze all the juice out of it. Take some water and bring it to a simmer. Mix the lemon juice to the water. Take it in the morning before breakfast. Once you start taking this remedy, you have to keep taking it at least for a few weeks. Alternatively, you can just take some lemon juice with your meals every day. If you take lemon juice for a few weeks regularly, you will notice a good and considerable reduction on your blood pressure levels. You will be able to keep your high pressure level in check. 2. Grapes. Another great home remedy for the treatment of high blood pressure. Grape is considered multivitamin fruit which is high in phosphorus and potassium. So try to eat grapes daily, to control the blood pressure level. Grapes will make your health better and help you control your high blood pressure. Directions. Take a bunch of grapes and wash them. Take them one by one and put them in a blender. Blend the grapes and pour out the nectar. Now, mix some sugar with it if you like. Drink the juice once every morning with or without breakfast. You can also buy grape juice from the store. But those have too much preservatives and artificial ingredients. You should always go for the original and fresh juices that you can make yourself. You can have a guaranteed improvement in your health by doing that. 3. Honey. To get rid of high blood pressure, you can take 1 tablespoon honey with hot water and drink it on a daily basis. Surely you can avoid high blood pressure. Honey will reduce pressure from your heart and it has a calming effect on your blood vessels as well. Therefore, it will be a helpful home remedy for high blood pressure. Honey helps you keep your blood pressure under control. You can take 2 teaspoons of raw honey an hour right before breakfast every morning. Or, you can do the following procedure. Directions. Take 1 teaspoon of honey and mix it into 2 teaspoons of ginger juice. Take 2 teaspoons full of cumin seed powder. Mix it with the solution. Take this twice every day. Another effective home remedy would be. Directions. Take a tablespoon of basil juice and mix it with half a tablespoon of pure honey. Mix this with some lukewarm water and mix well. Drink this solution every day on an empty stomach. You should continue taking this for at least 4 weeks to notice an improvement. 4. Basil juice. To get rid of high blood pressure, you can also take basil juice. Try to take basil juice every day and add 1 tablespoon honey with it. Try to drink this juice twice a day. Directions. Take a bunch of basil leaves. Wash them thoroughly and neatly tie them up. Take some water and pour it in a pot. Put the stack of leaves in the pot. Boil the water until it simmers. Let it steep for a few minutes. Strain the water and store it in a jar. You can use the leaves for making a paste and eating it as chutney. Alternatively, you can do the following. Chop and crush a stack of basil leaves. Use it in the food you cook as an added flavor. Add it to the salad and soups you make as well. Eat the basil on a regular basis to keep your blood pressure in control. 5. Celery. Celery will be very beneficial for the high blood pressure patients. Try to add celery in your diet chart and eat it on the daily basis with a glass of water. Surely you can cure your high blood pressure. The phytochemical 3N-butyl phthalate is present in celery in high amount. It greatly helps you to control high blood pressure. Phthalates also help relax your muscles inside and around the arterial walls, which creates much more space and allows the blood to flow in freely. At the same time, this can help you reduce the stress hormones which constrict the blood vessels, contributing to high blood pressure as well. You should try to eat at least 1 stalk of celery with a glass of water every day. However, eating 4 stalks of celery daily is going to be much more helpful in lowering your blood pressure. For some enhance of protein, follow this. Directions. Take 1 tablespoon of unsalted almond butter or peanut butter. Take a celery stalk and dip into it. Chew on the stalk like you eat French fries dipped in ketchup. Both peanut butter and almond butter have high amounts of monounsaturated fat that keeps your heart healthy. Related, what's the truth about Garcinia cambogia 6? Coconut water for controlling your blood pressure. Coconut water is very effective. It helps to keep your body hydrated and also prevents different health problems. Try to drink coconut water every day to get rid of high blood pressure. Directions. Take a freshly cut tender coconut and get the juice out of it. Pour the juice into a glass jar. You can preserve the juice in the refrigerator if you are able to extract juice from a lot of coconuts. Make sure you drink the coconut water in the morning before breakfast on an empty stomach. This juice will stay fresh if you keep it cool, though we suggest you cut a fresh coconut every day. You can also eat the flesh of the fruit because it will also help you to reduce your high blood pressure levels and keep it in control. 7. Cayenne pepper. As we all know that cayenne pepper is very spicy, but to get rid of high blood pressure it works greatly. Try to take it every day, or you can add cayenne pepper in your vegetables, soup or salad. A little bit of cayenne pepper is enough to control the high blood pressure level. The people that are suffering from mild hypertension are surely going to benefit from taking cayenne pepper. It makes blood flow by preventing the platelets from clumping up together and building up in your blood. You should add some cayenne pepper to your daily meals, like the vegetable or fruit salads you eat. A little bit would do. If you take too much, you may burn your throat due to too much pepper. You can also do the following process. Make a bowl of soup for yourself. Make sure you do not put too much spices into it. When it is done, add just a pinch to the bowl. Since cayenne pepper is really spicy, 1 pinch is more than enough. 8. Garlic. Garlic has antibacterial properties which prevent the pressure and improves the blood flow. So try to eat garlic every day. Surely it works in a proper way and gives you the best result. A lot of healthcare studies have shown that garlic has great blood pressure lowering effects. Both cooked and raw garlic can help you control your high blood pressure. At the same time, it can reduce your cholesterol levels considerably. Garlic helps relax your blood vessels by stimulating the construction of hydrogen sulfide and nitric oxide. You should eat 1 or 2 cloves of crushed garlic every day. You can just crush them with your teeth and chew on them. Crushing garlic cloves produce hydrogen sulfide. It is a compound which promotes healthy blood flow, reduces pressure on your heart and removes gas. If you dislike eating up raw garlic, or in case it creates a burning sensation in your mouth, then you should take it with a warm cup of milk. You may also follow the following process. Directions. Take some water and pour it into a pot. Put some sliced garlic in the water. Bring the water to a boil and let it simmer for a few minutes. The juice should be stored in a jar and preserved in the fridge. Take it twice a day mixed with some warm water on an empty stomach in the morning. 9. Curry leaves. Curry leaves are also considered great natural remedies for controlling the high blood pressure level. It will be better if you make a juice of curry leaves. For making juice, you have to take 20 to 25 curry leaves and add 1 cup of hot water. Try to drink this juice in every morning. Directions. Take a cup of water and pour it into a pot. Bring it to a boil and then turn the heat down. Let it simmer and put some curry leaves into the water. Let the leaves boil for a few minutes, making the solution thick. Drain the water and pour it into a jar. Every morning, take a cup of lukewarm water and mix a little curry juice in it. Drink this on an empty stomach in the morning. For better results, drink 1 cup in the evening as well. 10. Water. Try to drink water as much as you can, because if you drink plenty of water, your body will get hydrated. You can be able to control your blood pressure. Make sure you drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. Juices and beverage do not count. Pure water will make your system relaxed and stress-free, thus reducing your blood pressure.